How to change language on chess.com. There are two ways of getting to the first section. The first way is to go to More at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to click on Profile. The other way is by going to the home page of your chess.com app and then clicking the top left hand corner where you see your profile picture. Either which way, you'll want to get to this page here where you'll click the three little dots at the top right hand corner. Then on the profile section, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the profile section until you see language. Go ahead and click on language. Then it's going to bring up the settings of your phone. So if you're on an iOS device, it's going to look something like this, but it's going to be a similar process on your Android, where it'll ask you for your preferred language. You'll click on it. Mine's English, and you can change it to whatever you want. So I'm going to change it to Mandarin now. And then you want to go back into the app. It will reload the app, and then it will be accustomed with the new language of your choice. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.